Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Laicharris or Lay, and today I'm going to be doing a Instagram inspired look. It's the weekend and I'm going out, and I saw this makeup look on Instagram a little while ago, and it reminds me of like the Prettiest little sunflower, and I think it's like fall related. Like, it's some cute fall color. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so my eyebrows are already done, so now I'm just going to start off with my concealer to prime my eyes. I think I'm just going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and just apply that all over my eyelids. I'm going to be looking over here because my mirror is over here. So okay, so I'm going to start off with my Morphe 35C palette, and I'm going to start off with this yellow color right here and apply that all over my brow bone. Now that I've finished applying that yellow, I'm going to apply the orange color into my crease. Now that I've added the orange, I'm just going to take this brownish color and apply that deeper into my crease to deepen it up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take some more of my concealer and apply it to my lid, just so the green that I'm about to put on can pop a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to put this green color right here all over my lid. Okay, now that I have packed this green on and I look super crazy, I'm just going to go back in with that brownish color and blend it into my crease, and then I'm going to go in with the orange and yellow and, you know, bring that back if it gets lost. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with the orange and bring that back above my, well, underneath my brow bone. And then I'm just going to put the yellow back into my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm just going to go off camera and put on my lashes and then come back and do the rest of my face. Okay, so I'm back with my lashes on, and I think I'm going to bring this green up a little bit higher because I always forget that I have like low-key hooded eyelids. So I'm just going to add this green and make it a little bit higher because these lashes are like hiding the green. So yeah, just gonna add this green a little bit higher. And now that I've brought it up a little bit higher, I'm just gonna take the brown color and blend it out. Okay, so then I'm just going to bring that orange and yellow back. So I'm just going to add that on top. I'm finished with my eyes right now, so I'm just going to work on my face. I already moisturized and primed my face. I moisturized with my Equate moisturizer, and then I use my Rimmel Stay Matte primer, and now I'm just going to apply my Color Correct. Ooh, And the color correct I'm going to, I knew something was going to fall. Let me just get my life together really quick, and then I'll tell you guys what I want to do. Okay, so I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange, and then I'm just going to color correct the places that you color correct underneath my eyes, or my mouth, and things like that. Okay, so now that my piece is color corrected, I'm just going to take my foundation. I'm going to be using my Covergirl TruBlend Matte Made Foundation. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And I'm just going to blend out with my beauty blender. Okay, now that I have my foundation on, I'm just going to take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and then highlight my face. Then I'm just going to blend. Okay, now that my face is all blended out, my concealer is all blended out, I'm just going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and set those areas I just highlighted, and then I'm going to take my Covergirl Queen Collection bronzer and contour my face. Then I'm just going to wipe all this off, or dust all this off. Okay, so now that my face is done, I'm just going to go back into the eyes, and I'm going to take that yellow color and the orange and just put it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going into my 120 color eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this gold color right here and put this in my inner corner. Alright, so now I'm just going to add some mascara to my lower lash line. Okay, now that I'm all done with my eyes, I'm just going to spray my face, and I'm going to spray my face with my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Setting Spray. Okay, and now that my face is, while my face is drying, it's still a little damp, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Strobe highlighter and apply it to my areas where I usually highlight: my cheekbones, my nose, eyebrows, Cupid's bow. Okay, now that I am finished highlighting and I am glistening, shining bright like a diamond, I'm going to go in with my lip color, and I'm going out tonight, so I don't really like to wear matte lips when I'm going out. I'm going out drinking, I'm going to a bar. So I'm just going to take a lip gloss, like a nude brown lip gloss, but you could use a brown lip liner and a brown matte lipstick, or a gloss, nude, anything like that. So I'm just going to take the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Gingersnap, and I'm just going to apply that to my lips. Yeah, when I go out, I just like to have something that I can easily apply. Yeah, because matte lipstick gets really messy when you go out drinking and things like that, and it's just hard to apply. Lip gloss, take it off, put it back on, really easily. Can't really mess that up. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. If you like this video, if it was enjoyable, if it was helpful for you, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.